So if you are importer, if you have a brand,
We will super support and cooperate.
Wi-Fi camera, only power. I show you only app.
you can check wireless camera. This one with wiring and complete drill and complete socket. A HD Fish Eye
Yes.
with OEM fitment.
AI camera.
Now I want to show performance.
This is Andrew, the CEO of the Viewable Vision company. We have been in this field more than 15 years.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel B2B Gadgets. Here I am introducing many factory which is making some product related to car accessories or another segment. But today I am in China, so I have a collaboration with a company which is making rear view camera and 360-degree camera in China. Right now I am in Foshan city. So today I want to introduce with the manufacturing unit of rear view camera and 360-degree camera complete setup. I will show you many range, so you can buy easily direct from factory. You can direct connect with the company CEO. This is good for your business and your brand. So if you are importer, if you have a brand and if you want to know about rear view camera variety, then I think you should watch complete video because this is very helpful for your business. This is the largest company in the world because of quality, because of range, because of customization rear view camera. So if you have good quantity order, then you can place your order with this company in best quality and best price. Hello.
Hi, most welcome. World's largest real view camera factory.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So now we want to introduce with company CEO. Hello, sir.
Hello, welcome, new and old friends.
Thank you so much for giving me this best opportunity for my audience. Can you please introduce yourself or your company?
Thank you very much. It is really great to have this chance to work with your side and explain the details to your audience. This is Andrew, the CEO of the Viewable Vision company. We have been in this field more than 15 years, and we start this factory since 2015. We were a small company and a small factory at the beginning. After 3-4 years, self-hard work and high technology investment, we have been successfully developing the ultimate production lines. It is the only one in China and even in the world. And now I'm glad and proud to introduce our production capacity and factory.
How much product you are producing in this company?
You may not believe it, but trust me, it is 600,000 pieces per month. In our factory, we have two standards of business. Number one is the brand business, and number two is the universal market standard business. We respect of all the business and we respect all of the customers. In our brand business, we have the special edition for the economic market and brand professional pro standards, brand max, maximum luxury performance. You can contact with us in this WhatsApp, WeChat, or chat box details. And we will super support and cooperate on the business.
Okay, so I think this is one-stop solution for rear view camera and 360-degree camera complete kit. You have any other options in car accessories segment? In automotive segment, you have another product producing?
Right now, we main focus on the camera products, the rear view cameras, 360 cameras. We will share the best informations, best designers to the customers.
So just I want to show your all product details to my audience. So now you can see product range in rear view camera. One by one I will show you. This one OEM type camera you can see, and this is 360-degree camera kit remote, and you can see many models, lens quality and cable quality according to your budget, according to your brand requirement, according to your market requirement. You can buy reverse camera for car. You will get amazing price and good quality in camera range. Now you can see this is 360-degree camera setup. You can see lens quality. This is really amazing. This is with complete setup box, or if you have any Android player in just plug and play 360-degree camera support, then you can connect this complete kit directly. So now you can see product range in LED camera, many models like fisheye rear view camera, moving line camera, and motion detected camera. If I will show you one by one, then I think we need to take some reels where I will show you some product quality. But now I want to show you range. You can see many models here like fisheye camera, OEM type camera, and metal body camera, and you can see HD camera, HD camera. If you found any model in the world, then I think that model producing by this company. This is really a premium range. I will show you catalog, and now I want to show you picture quality.
This one for AI camera. AI one BB one camera.
You can check quality with motion detection. Now you can see my face in
Fish
screen.
eye.
This is fish eye.
Yeah, fish eye.
Another model, can you connect?
Okay, I'll show you HD movie line fish eye. HD movie line fish eye. You can see.
This is moving line, right?
Yes.
All these cameras have moving line.
Yes. Also, all can have.
We can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yeah. All model we have.
Okay, so if you want to customized product in rear view camera, then you can contact this company because it's world largest producing company in rear view camera. Any other model you want to show to my audience?
OEM AHD fish eye.
This is
OEM AHD fish eye.
so lots of range available with this company, and you can check the wiring is really amazing.
316 camera.
So this is complete setup for 360-degree camera. You can check quality. Now you can check. This is complete kit. This is with high definition quality camera in 360, and it will support directly in Android Stereo. If you have Android Stereo which can support directly 360-degree camera kit, then you can check. This is amazing quality. So if you want good price or good quality with latest product in car rear view camera in 360-degree camera kit, then you can buy from this factory. If you are an importer, if you have a brand, if you want to sell some good products, if you want to serve your country good quality in car rear view camera, then I think you should select this company for business. So just I show to you one latest product in car rear view camera. Can you please show me?
Okay, Wi-Fi camera, only power. I show you only app.
This app will support.
Okay, very fast.
So you can check, this is wireless and work very well. This is really a unique product in this factory, and you can check many models available. And this company have lots of model in rear view camera. If you want for trucks, if you want for cars, and if you want customized product, then you can contact to this company and you can buy direct from factory. So I think it is very helpful content for your business. If you want to watch continue our video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please comment your contact number for import this product from China.